Okay, here's the oil pump that we're going to change out for the stock one here that's all torn up. So this is a Daytona style pump. That brand. So these are cast high volume pump. So they're cheap, real cheap. So there's your upgrade from Harley to these guys. That's a little different. And that one there is a little bigger also. So just a little bit bigger in diameter. About that much. Same width. This one's slightly taller, but not much taller. So anyway, this is the one we're going to use instead of that junk one. This has a wear plate, so it'll stop the wearing of the cam plate here. This here will take the abuse instead of that. So when you change out the pump, this will still be good. So that helps save that, which I like. So we'll get that all back together in a little bit. We got the cylinders are all cleaned up now. They had that real rough finish to them like they were. So I got them all cleaned. They're all good to go. Got new rings for it already fitted. So now I'm going to go clean these pistons up a little bit. So I got to see if I can get some of this off. You going to fix it?
Sure.
Here, you're in charge. Fix it. Takes this right here. Goes like this. Push the ring up. Now you got to stop. And across it like that. Not with very much pressure. We're just trying to knock off any high spots. If any loose metal in there will come out, it'll come out. Same thing, put the ring up. How rough that is. A little smoother here. Alright, you figure that out? It's pretty complicated there.
Yeah. You make things look really complicated too.
They are. Why are you in one spot? See how you're making low spots where it counts? See any low spots in mine?
Nope.
So you hold it down here and you go like this with it, see? I'm not stopping, I'm not going like that. Like this. You hear the pressure difference? You were putting pressure on it?
Let's see.
All the way across, whole surface. You're not getting down here.
I haven't got there yet, Tatro.
You do the whole thing one shot. You can move this hand and this hand together. There you go, look at that. He's got rhythm now. There you go. You like that one spot though, don't you? You're gonna wear out that one spot. Yeah, flip it over so you can wear the other half out. There you go, you gotta roll the whole thing. You have to move his hand up and down too. Half the pressure.
It actually made me feel like I'm fouling some nails or something, dude.
Half the pressure. Alright, that's enough abuse. Get tired of watching you break, screw up a piston. Someone might have to actually use this piston someday. Who's that going to be? See, I start over here. You're going like here. Maybe a little bit of that, and that's about all you're doing. See, barely moving. So, see, I go like
Gotcha.
across. See, I roll that and roll that. See the action there?
It actually makes sense.
Across the whole surface. How much pressure am I putting on there?
A little.
Like 1 pound. I'm not trying to remove metal. I'm trying to get the metal that's out of here and knock off high spots. Alright, you want to have one more chance at this side? This is the one you really screwed up already, so we'll let you finish it off.
Thanks, Sensei.
Whole thing, you're still stopping. Gotta work this hand more. Roll them together like this. There you go, now you're getting the action going. Then you go back to half again.
Something about that bottom thing.
You want that one spot, you're gonna go right through that piston right there. You probably took off a towel and a half off that spot already.
Think so?
Yes, here. You can make it loose. We gotta save this piston at some point. Start down here, see, not right on the edge. Past the edge, see? Here, when you go over the edge, see the difference? Hear it? When you hit that, you hear it digs in over there. You can hear it. You can also feel the change. See, sharper, corner to corner. Then you hit both corners. You back off just a little bit.
Difference.
There you go. How's that look? Okay,
Nice.
let's go blast it. All right, we're gonna go back and blast it.
Stay tuned.
It's dark in here. What happened? Oh, there's light. Oh, there's more light. Okay, did I dump all the beads out yet or not?
Put in both of them?
Well, I get the new beads in here. That's right. Yeah. Okay, we have the AC grid in here now, so I dumped the new bag in. Brand new bag. See that bag down there? It's empty almost. That is in the machine now. Okay, so you need to jump in there. See that foot trigger down there? That's what makes it go boom, boom, boom. Okay, put your hand in there, one in per glove. Grab the nozzle. Yeah, that nozzle.
Okay.
You got a light on now? Okay, now you want to shoot the top of the dome. Get the other piston out of the way. I don't want you blasting the side of that thing. Okay, we just want to blast the dome, so you got to keep the pressure up in the air. More like that. There you go. Okay, so you got to turn the machine on now. Up here. Step on the trigger and it'll go on. Push hard. Move around a little bit. There you go. Hold the piston with the other hand. Not so fast. Get all the stuff out of the valve pocket on the right. Alright. Shut it off. Take a look at it. It's all clean now?
Yep.
Okay, get the other one. Move the other one off the side. Get out of the way. Finish it up. See that?
Beautiful. I know you can't see me, but you can see these.
See all the scratch marks you put in there on the asphalt outside. Okay, I'm going to blast the carbon off right here. We're not going to reuse these rings, so you want to keep the rings in the ring lands, protect the ring lands. You don't want to be blasting the ring lands.
Okay, so we want to blast it with the rings on.
We're going to stay off of this area too. That's why I'm not going to let you do it. Here. it coming off. What the hell that is? Maybe got some kind of coating on there. See how uniform it is?
Yeah.
I think that's a coating of some type. Maybe it's hard anodized ringlands. Haven't seen that done before on Harley stuff. Looked like it was all carbon to me. Well, obviously it's not. See the gray brown stuff down below here? That's carbon. See how that goes away real quick? The other stuff is not. There's some kind of a coating up there. All right. For those. There you go. Nice and dark now. All right, we're gonna go clean these up. We'll be back. So it's definitely some kind of a coating on there. Light's over here. So it's in the ringlands too, you can see it. So it's on the top ringland, not the second. Some kind of a something in there. There's our new rings. I got one ring. Is there more? Don't know. New ones. You didn't think I knew that, did you?
You're learning.
I don't want to learn any of this crap.
Why, it's not a shovel?
Stupid twin cam crap. Really? If you put them in there, except we'll be here all night. I'll get pissed off and do it anyway.
You think so?
Probably guarantee that one.
No, not a guarantee. It might not be done the way that you do it, but it can really get done quick.
It could get done?
Yeah,
Or destroyed, one or two. Which one's which? Where's the mark? Not much of a mark. Where's the mark?
Well,
spit on it.
There is no freaking mark on there.
It's reverse twist. Normally the chamfer's up, chamfer's down on this one. It's right there. It's on the sharp side. Find it yet?
That's it.
Spin on it a little bit. Don't spin on your finger.
Yeah, here goes smart right here, dude.
Find it?
Yeah. Had a little dot.
What if I get the virus on me from you?
Ha! I haven't had it.
Okay, I don't know. So the ring's nice and free, so it's not bent. Don't wrap it. How about that one?
This one,
This has two sharp sides. You feel the sharpness, so I don't think there's any difference. Nope. No mark.
this one don't got no marking either.
Imagine that. These are sharp as hell though on my thumbs. Cutting into my thumb. So you put the two tail ends in the groove and you spread it with your thumbs. Push down your forefingers. Those are sharp. Make me bleed. So you get them in there like that. You just kind of roll it around. They are very sharp. Oh, that is hard. I'll go back to my tool. It's not bent. See how it moves? Okay, there's a ring groove right there, so I'm going to put one over here. The other one goes on the other side. That one's ready to go on the piston. Except we got to put some snap rings in there. You gonna put that one in there and break it for me?
Couldn't find the,
You want me to do it?
yeah, I'll leave it to the professional.
That's sharp. Dink. Definitely sharp. That one's over there. That one goes there. This one goes over here. This is ready to go. Almost. Look at all these rings. Remember where they go?
Nope.
In the motor. How'd you forget that? These are all rings, yeah. Silver's top, black is second. You know why?
Why?
Because these are cast iron, the other ones are probably buckle iron. Heat treated. That's why they were stiffer, harder to put on. And they're a lot sharper on the ground. They hurt you more. I can put these up on eBay as brand new. $29.95. Free pickup. Maybe put them on Instatur instead. Okay, how's this oil pump put together?
That's the new one.
You took it apart.
No, that's the new one.
How's it go together?
You said the old one was a piece of crap, supposedly.
How's this one go together? Did you read the instructions? Did you pay attention? Did you take pictures?
I just pay attention to what you do.
You didn't take pictures?
No, I didn't really take no pics.
So how do we know how it goes back together?
That's a good question.
I'm thinking the big piece goes in first. How do you think? Think that worked?
Yes, sir. Move him up.
I'm thinking this piece goes in next. This has to line up with the crank. See how holes all center?
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you could use a crank over an assembly jig, but that'd be too easy. Do we have an O-ring here? I thought that stayed in there harder before. A little bit of oil on it, it won't fall out. Okay, we've got a plate here. I'm thinking this is the plate that goes on here. Think I'm close? There's one of those grooves right there. Probably has another O-ring in there, I bet. Yeah. Looks like I know what I'm doing. Probably this big one here next. Look at the top and the bottom. Which one's which? So if you take the slot and line up with that one, it should go together easier. Close?
Mm-hmm.
Till you move it. We got our oil pump plate. We'll have that dry, it'll burn it up. How's that? Think that'll work?
Look better than the old one, huh?
Fit on the crank over here. Look at that. You missed that on camera. Good camera. See, it slipped right on up there. Pretty easy. Oil pressure almost. Look at that oil pressure in there. Spiking up right now. Alright, that'll work. That's ready to go together at some point. Alright, what else are we working on?
Next is what? You gotta soak this crank in any oil?
No. Want to do the crank next? Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Good cameraman.